So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a LinkedIn post here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, make sure to go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon in the middle. Under project type, go ahead and press on social media. Now what I want you to do now is slide this top bar to where it says Facebook posts, Facebook ads, all this kind of stuff. Just slide it a little bit more to the right until you come across a LinkedIn post template. And what this actually does is it provides you some either templates that you can edit for yourself, or what, more importantly, it gives you the proper dimensions for a LinkedIn post here on Visme. So as you can tell right here, the LinkedIn dimensions are 1200 by 1200. So go ahead and press on that. Now you don't necessarily have to press on a template if you don't want to. You can obviously just go ahead and press on blank template right here. But what you can also do is just scroll down, and if you find a template that you like and just want to edit, go ahead and feel free. So if you want to do this one, for example, go ahead and press on this. It's going to take a couple seconds to load this project into your application. But once it's done, it's a pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create a LinkedIn post here on Visme. So now you can go ahead and edit it whatever you want, save it, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a LinkedIn post here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.